Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. It's another boozy dessert, this time a black Russian pie. This no-bake chocolate pie would do best refrigerated overnight, so plan ahead. Let's see what we're gonna need. This pie gets an Oreo cookie crust, and I make them all the same way. 26 Oreo cookies and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. These are going in the food processor to process into fine crumbs. This needs to be pressed evenly on the bottom and up the sides. And you can make this easier by just using a measuring cup. Now we can get started on the filling. This is an instant pudding pie, so I'll be using chocolate fudge instant pudding as part of my base. We'll be using milk, Kahlúa, and a good quality vodka. We've got a total of 1 cup of liquids to mix in with our pudding, along with half of this Cool Whip. The other half is going to top this pie. We're starting off with 1/3 cup of vodka. Then we fill it up to the half mark line with Kahlúa, and top it off to 1 cup with the milk. Now we can make the filling. Okay, we're going to top this with the rest of the Cool Whip. This stays in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve it. Time to give our black Russian pie a taste. I've sprinkled this with just a little bit of chocolate cookie crumbs. I've tasted the filling. I know it's good. I don't recommend eating more than 1 piece. Wonderful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen.
If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.